IK4 Technica is a technological center that aims at the development and transfer of technology to improve the competitiveness of industry. In line with its missions and origins, IK4 Technica not only provides companies with technological support, but is also involved in generating new business initiatives, which are usually technological and often spin-offs of the center itself. The collaborative robotic workspace to be used as a neutral experimentation infrastructure is a workcell with different robotic elements and sensors. The main function of this workcell is the flexible assembly, disassembly of components in a fenceless environment. The proposed scenario is aligned with the need of incorporating robots able to safely and adaptively cooperate with humans in manufacturing operations. The workcell is a multi-purpose layout composed of a dual-arm robot with 3 different workbenches, a tool exchange station, and multiple sensors. This tool exchange station allows using different tools that can be exchanged automatically in real time, adding flexibility to the assembly cell. Additionally, the robot has been enhanced with different sensors like 2D and RGBD cameras and a force torque sensor. The neutral facility extends the workcell capabilities by involving an additional robot. The dual-arm robot interacts with the worker in close cooperation during the assembly operation, and a mobile robot performs logistics-related operations. The mobile robot acts as a component supplier for the bi-manipulator. The High Payload Material Transport Machine is a holonomic mobile robot platform for use in an environment with limited space that requires precise mobility and handling. The process to be implemented using AUTOWARE technologies is an internal logistics workflow between the dual-arm workcell and the mobile platform. The workflow of the process starts when the control system of the bi-manipulator asks to the mobile robot for a component. The mobile robot acts as a component supplier for the dual arm. AUTOWARE technologies enable a robust wireless communication between the mobile robot and the dual arm workcell for communication among the different robots and manufacturing resources, computing processes orchestration, running computationally expensive tasks, e.g. path planning, in the cloud to reduce local computing requirements. Safety modules are mission-critical and require real-time response. Validate the solution demonstrating flexible adaptation to production demands, coordinate different production resources, and providing interoperability among the elements of the cell. The main contributions provided by this experimentation infrastructure are the integration of enabling mechanisms for communication and integration at higher level between the workcell elements, bi-manipulator, safety elements, mobile platform, etc. High reconfigurability and flexibility of the solution based on the concept of robot-robot collaboration and human-robot collaboration.